right, here we are today with Mr. Stanley Burney Jr. at the Big Rigs Truck Show, Biloxi, Mississippi. And we're here with this 85 model International winch truck. It's kind of a different truck at this show because you have all these big Peterbilts and everything else. And here we have a big working winch truck, shiny aluminum, old rugged truck. How long you been having this unit, man?
I bought it in 2017.
2017, and what we got under the hood?
It's got a 300 Big Cam Cummins.
All right.
10 speed.
10 speed.
With 410s in the back on walking beam.
Oh, Hendrickson walking beam.
Hendrickson walking beam.
So you got to be able to support that weight when you're picking it up on the poles.
Yes, sir.
How long it would take you to put those poles up?
On a good day, about 15 minutes.
That's pretty good. Help somebody out, get them out of a bind if you had to, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. I see you got your a nice vise on it. Truck look really good.
I appreciate it.
Everything polished out, and air conditioning and everything working in it. Everything works on the truck.
Everything works.
Now, I understand you had some help with it and all that other stuff. You got a little small guy run around with you sometimes?
Yeah.
He helps you sometimes?
Sometimes.
Yeah. Well, he and I been back a good ways. His dad trucked with his dad for a good while in the all field, and then I watched him kind of raise up in the trucking. So he's right on track with where he needs to be. He's got a good-looking truck, winch truck, works hard. Not a little small fella. Get out there and do what he's got to do. You got three axle step deck, right?
Three axle step.
Winch up. Got a rolling tailboard. Pull all that stuff up on. That's good. All right. And you leased the Acme truck line out of Morgan City.
I've been with Acme since 2012.
Yep. Yeah, they're a pretty good old company. What's some other things you have had to do to the truck since you've had it?
Since I've had it, when I first got it, we put the 10-speed in it.
Okay.
After that, I just ran it pretty much with steel wheels and aluminum fronts.
Make you a little money?
Made some money with it. Then radiator went out. So while I had it down, I said, well, my time to shine, you know?
Yeah,
so I got to be like my uncle and order the visor, put all the wheels.
And who's this uncle you talk about?
Talking about my uncle right here. put all the aluminum wheels, had Floyd polish everything.
Everything looks good.
Grill surround, changed out the cab lights, RLK visor, Dynaflex exhaust.
Stands out.
That's pretty much it. I mean, other than the visor.
You had to do anything to that walking beam suspension since you had it?
No, I haven't done anything to the walking beam. I went into the motor. We did we retimed the motor, put bigger injectors.
Step it up a little bit.
Put a bigger turbo. But we're pushing about 500 now.
That's good.
Truck runs real good, strong.
She started out as a 300. I just bumped the timing and mess with the fuel a little bit.
Now, you know, I can keep up with everybody else.
Yeah, that's the story of mine too. I always try to keep up with the big boys.
Yeah, I mean, you know, that's the thing. Just keep up with everybody.
Yep. That's good. And you mainly you tip out of state sometimes with her?
I've ran Florida. I've ran to the Texas oil fields. I stay around here on the Gulf Coast.
That's good.
They try to get me to go up north.
But you're not having it.
No, I mean, I might venture out again one day up north, but
you're like me. I get north I-20, my nose starts bleeding.
Exactly.
I gotta come back down, get out of altitude.
I-10, you start getting a little weary about where you're at, kind of lost and everything.
Yeah, I understand. That's good. Well, yeah, you got a good-looking truck, man.
I sure appreciate it.
Where's that little youngin' at anyway? He helped running around?
I think they done took off and got something to eat.
Oh, that's good. All righty. Well, that's good. Yep, well, you got a good-looking truck, man. Like I said, I know it works, and we like working trucks. We don't like trucks sitting up on the shelf unless that's what she needs to be. It's a working truck. It's a good-looking truck.
It's not a model. It's a work truck.
That's right. All right, when you first got the truck, what did it look like?
When I first got the truck, it was rough. I mean, it had all steel wheels, no visor. From the factory, no visor.
Okay.
Single stack, little short tip. Aluminum bumper that was all tore up.
Okay.
A red bed. I mean, truck needed some love.
Okay.
So, of course, like I said, you know, growing up around you and everybody else, I knew what it took to make a nice truck.
Yep.
So I just put in the time and started. And my original plan was to paint the truck. I was going to strip it down, paint it green. I like a green truck.
Okay.
And, you know, things happen and I just put it to work.
Yeah.
And now it's kind of,
you have your want and your need list. So you got to do your wants. I mean, your needs first before your
exactly.
wants.
And paint is not really a necessity, you know. So, and now most everybody knows the truck. They know the truck for the way it looks. So it's like,
why change it?
Yeah, I'll just leave it like it is. I might throw a clear coat over it, not a matte clear coat to leave it like it, you know, the patina.
To seal it.
But as far as paint, it'll probably not get painted. It'll probably stay just like this.
I know another truck like that over here.
Yeah. I like it simple.
That's
you know,
good.
the old saying, keep it simple, stupid.
That's right.
And that's how I keep it, you know, minimum lights and stuff like that.
Yeah. Some people like a lot of wires and a lot of lights, a lot of headaches.
Y'all always taught me the more lights you got, the more trouble you got.
Yeah,
so that's how I keep it, you know, just keep it simple and keep rolling on. That's all we could do.
That's right. You're doing a good job. Keep it up.
Oh, sure. I appreciate it.
I've been watch you grow up around trucks, riding with your dad and stuff like that. You got your own truck. And
been a long time.
It makes me feel old.
Oh, don't feel old. Don't feel old. I'm starting to feel old.
What do you think about the show this year? Good turnout. Seen a lot of equipment out here today.
This is my second time coming to this show, and the turnout is phenomenal. This is more than I expected to come. I mean, there's a array of trucks. I mean, you know, even though there's a bunch of Peterbilts, it's all different styles. I mean, and that's what makes us, you know, one big community. But we're also, you know, different.
We all come together.
I mean, I enjoy it. I mean, I love this. I love coming out to hang out with everybody. You know, see people that I don't get to see all that often, and
it's definitely a one for the books for this year. I'm glad.
You know, I just can't wait to see what next year is going to bring.
Because I know they've been waiting on a big show. We always had a few trucks, and this year, I mean, they really hit it out of the park.
I mean,
I'm so thankful for that from Miss Patty.
Me too. You know, this is.
I know they go through a lot. Her and her husband put everything on.
Yeah, I mean, they put out the work, and we come and show up.
That's right.
And you know, they put this out for us to do, and hey, we got to pay it back. But I'm ready for next year already.
Me too. All right, well, little jackpot. We'll see you on the road or something.
Of
and
course.
you take care and be careful, man. We'll see you on that highway in that oil field.
Any day I get to see my uncle on the highway is a good day.
Oh, yeah. He always takes pictures and sends it to me. Or hollers at me on the CB or does something. All right. Well, we'll see you, man, back around the house, back on the road.
Well,
be careful. Take care of them family.
You too.